So wahamba umfowethu ayobhadala belusi bekuyi-8 zika May 2002 azange aphinda buye ukuthi amaphoyisa nalapha ngifeyila first time ngi-attenda na umkwena siyosearcha siyobheka umfowethu ngoba ngangimbona uthukile lo muntu number 1 but axambe namanga athi umphuphile bamlimazile bamgubhela was going with my daughter uyabona usika umthumile uthi akalali umfowethu uyabona so uyacela ukuthi abe ne-meeting nami nodadewethu ongilamayo nomalumakhe yabona azokhona ngoba kamlalisi lo muntu.
Hello and welcome back to the Hope Revolution podcast. My name is Mraro and we are together once again on this grateful episode. Thanking God for this opportunity because, we have one more chance to do this. I mean, one more day, one more opportunity to make it count. Thank you guys for joining us on this episode. We intend to uplift, we intend to raise, we intend to highlight and empower someone who is sitting at home thinking that their situation is impossible. By sharing, it really means that we begin to, broaden the perspective of those that are, on the verge of giving up. Thank you so much for engaging with our guests, for commenting, for, building this community fruitfully. Don't worry, guys. I'm going to share the date for the Leap event. I know everyone is pushing me, but Muraro, when you keep talking about this thing, when I'm going to share the date with you guys, and I'm just trying to make sure that I can structure this in a way that's going to benefit the people that are going to attend. And even though it's going to be the first one, I feel that it's going to be impactful. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to our channel because a majority of people that watch this podcast have not yet subscribed. So we'd like to urge you to please subscribe. We are on the route to 100,000. Guys, without wasting time, let's jump into today's episode. I'm also going to spotlight you. I almost forgot. I'm spotlighting you on the comment section. Once I see you comment, I throw your handle here so that you guys could really see that we really appreciate you as a community. Without wasting time, let's jump into today's episode and welcome our guest for the day. Sawubona.
Ngiyabonga njani?
Sikhona. Siphinde sibonge ukuthi uphinde wabuya usubuyile uthathe elinye ithuba lokuthi ufike. Mhlambe kulabo abangakwazi ungasitshela ukuthi mhlambe ubaba ubani wakuphi?
Ngosibusiso Khumalo waseMzimhlophe.
Okay.
Nase Snake Park.
No, nice. Ubaba, if you guys want to see a little bit about his story, where he came from and how his upbringing was, you can go on Skim GP because he's been there, he's been sharing, So go that side and watch those episodes because, you'll then begin to get context in terms of ubaba ubani, ukhula njani, ufika njani la ekhona manje. But today we're not really on that. We're going to talk about indaba le ubaba aze ngayo la namhlanje. Baba, maybe you could open up a little bit usitshela ukuthi udaba lwakho namhlanje lume njani.
Ngiyabonga ukuthola this opportunity. Hey man, idaba la namhlanje concerning my brother. Kusho ukuthi manje umndeni wonke awuthola ukuphumula. My brother has been missing for 5 years.
Sure.
So my name's brother is Zolihle Khumalo, uhlala eSnake Park eBlock 10.
Okay.
So umfowethu bekaneenkomo. Neembuzi.
Okay.
Yabo? So bengima sister nami yabo. So wahamba umfowethu ayobhadala belusi bekuyi-8 zika May 2002.
Okay.
In the morning. So uthe makahamba umfowethu azange aphinda buye. Kukuthi inkomo usuka eSnake Park uya esibayeni sise Brownfish kumkwena.
Okay.
So masibuza umkwena ngoba ngile sasesha sambuza umkwena but ngingamsuspect. Uthi ukuthi amaphoyisa nalapha ngifaila first time ngi-attenda na umkwena siyosearcha siyobheka umfowethu ngoba ngangimbona uthukile lo muntu number 1. So abanye abantu ukuthi bakhulume amaphoyisa anokumthusa ngempama ngeexperience yami. Ngithi hawo bafetani samkhabi nomkanje akhuluma bathi uzosibophisa yabona. So umuntu ongenzwani nikusahluleke noku but acambe namanga athi umphuphile bamlimazile bamgubhela was going with my daughter uyabona.
Okay.
Ngithi hamba ngibonisa sihambe ngoba bengihamba ngevan that day nesister yami eOldham. Siyobheka ngibona ukuthi lo muntu khona yazi useka sibonisa indawo errong uyabona. Then we went back asimtholanga. Sibuye ngakusasa sihamba ihlothi lonke sifuna asimtholi. Nasesibayeni ngiguduza simtholi. What happened sekuvula icase yaka missing somebody angithi. So on top of that before azomisa umfowethu khona umuntu bekaqabana naye abambiza uSka uhlala eSnake Park. He was part of us kumfuyo but he failed in which way uSka emfuyweni wathenga imbuzi ezithu ungizwe baba.
Okay.
I mean uthi umfethu uthenga every month ngoba he was working imbuzi uyabona. Makuya kuye umfethu athenga ezinye ezithu uSka angithi usemsebenzini athi landa imbuzi abuye athi zilahlekile amazinyane. You get my point how. All right, on top of that mina yena umfethu adadela sinokuthenga khona kubelusi ngoba mawunemfuyo abakuthengisela like umuntu ozohlaba.
Okay.
Masifika lapho ubaba dayi nina niyigebengu umabaso lesigaba akadethanga imali yami yembuzi. Umfethu wamnika imali yembuzi futhi uyathola.
Okay.
Sesiyathuka nomfethu uyathuka asiyazi lento uyabona.
Kusho bani ukuthi akalithi?
Lo baba uDlamini lo esothenga imbuzi mina ngizothenga imbuzi.
Okay.
Ngihamba nomfowethu angithi uyasazi. Uyazi lo sisebenza so.
Okay.
So umfowethu wamnika imali 800 ukuthi hamba othenga imbuzi. Besides lezi ezilahlekile umfowethu asemsebenzini. Hamba othenga imbuzi lapha. Lo baba akalethanga umnike bekamnike 1.2 ngoba unikelo baba 400 khane siba surprise sizothenga yabo ufuna ukudonsa ifwani.
Okay.
Ngithi no asiyazi nomfethu akayazi sithi nathi sombuza soyilungisa athi yabo isigebengu lo muntu wena mara sinike imbuzi. Thina ukugcinana ukuthi kungazwani bekenza umsebenzi lo muntu and that yamenzela umama wakhe.
Okay.
Mabenza umsebenzi kusho ukuthi lapho bathenga imbuzi ezi6 from during the week to weekend kubo ezomsebenzi. You get my point. So what happened ngiye emsebenzini nomfethu wakubo as friends funa ukumbuza nangale ndaba. Masifika kubo kunomsebenzi ngithi awusika wena manje mfethu siyambuza ukuthi imali kanti ubaba Dlamini embuza amnikanga. I-answer yakhe wathi ngithenge isheba abantwana bami bebangana sheba. Yabona singibone nami nomfethu ukuthi manje umsebenzi sithi no njengabantu abake bahlale sicela sihlangane Tuesday sizodiscussa lento yabona. Since then azange aphindeza azange ze Tuesday.
Anphindanga nambona.
No, what happened after that le lipe zale imbuzi ezi6 sekeza nefamily yakhe ngoba lo muntu ongathi wathola imali yakamama akhe bamsherela. So ekhaya ucamba manga ukuthi una 10 kubosisi bakhe lakithi yabona. So enzene aqela imeeting aze nabo malume nesibari nabo sisaba yithi ekhaya Snake Park sihlale babona bathi sithathela uSka imbuzi ezi10 ses explain indaba ukuthi nakho uSka uthathi uSgabe kanathiwe imbuzi wajikwa lahla 2 wadla nemali sacela umeeting azange avele meeting. But sithi and angasitsheli athune iliphi ngoba le iliphi ezembuzi ezi6 afuna ukuthi bekazithengela imfuyo no bekahlaba enza umsebenzi Nobaba Dlamini uzuthi uzoba ufakazi angazobheda wayezithengela umsebenzi ecourt uyabona ngoba after that what happened wasumfowethu ecourt
okay
eRodiport the day kumele kathendwe ngiyana umfowethu bayambiza kekho yabona icase obviously iphela kanjalo okay we came back yabona masibuya njengoba zonyamalala kumfowethu after this yabo makanyamalala kuye umalumakhe losika aze ekhaya athole mina nomama nomntwana athi usika umthumile uthi akalali umfowethu uyabona so uyacela ukuthi abe nemeeting nami nodadewethu ongilamayo nomalumakhe uyabona
okay
azokhona ngoba kamlalisi lo muntu ayisivuma ukuthi mhlawumbe khona azositshela khona
angikuzwa kahle akamlalisi
akamlalisi
akalaliswa ubani
umfowethu onyamalele so ucela i-meeting kimi nosisi wami nomalume yabo
hayibo
and at that time sekasukile eSnake Park bekahlala eSnake Park sekayabalabaleka yabo okay masimele i-meeting nosisi wami simele la ngabalishoyo angezi ngihlangana nomalume athi lo muntu angimtholi kahle uhlala le eMatsipsong ini uyabona ngithi la okay khonto mhlawumbe malume sekayibalekela lento ngemaphoyiseni futhi ezikuvula icase angitafuya investigate ukuthi nangu umuntu ukhuluma so ngitho ukuthi amaphoyisa man awayi investigate ngalendlela engisatisfy after that usika semska aye kumama oseduze nasekhaya athi ngiyacela hamba ubatshela kabozweli ukuthi uzweli umkwena umdubule ngesibhamu sakhe bakhohle bamele bayenza umsebenzi so after that ngemaphoyiseni futhi kuthi ebhekane
so uthi nina mele nenze umsebenzi
sibone sikhohle ngoba lo muntu udubulwe umkwena la ngithwa yakhona enkomeni ngesibhamu sakhe uyabona
sure
so mina mangemaphoyiseni usiholi ophethe icase eSnake Park ngizengabathuka last I don't want to lie nalo assistant yakhe yabo ukuthi bafethu ngiyanizwa nithi na invisi mara nangu umuntu utshele umama so why ningabuzi lo mama ngokuthi akasaba uyabili uthi busongakhuluma ungisukela waze endlini yami
sure
amaphoyisa even today awakazamlande lo muntu yabo na last nomntana bengithaya ufuna icase number bafike bathi hayi ngoba thina sine OB abasinika masemabaniki bonisa le case bathi hayi OB then sithi hawo ningayithola mos case number wathi yebo wabuyela umntwana ayitholakali namanje so wathi ayisokuthi hola abantu kusho ukuthi kune corruption bathatha imali lapha kule yandla yabo so that's a concern it's 5 years manje umfethu asimtholi naba abantu bayakhuluma so umkwena usika bangakhuluma
sure
so what's the need I need mhlambe as a broadcast nabantu abafisayo ukunceda kuke qale kule phoyisa le ngoba lisebenzi if alifuni kuyiwe ku provincial commission ngoba umthetho ngeke sivele siye ku provincial singakacala epolice stage si complain kulo omphethe mhlambe ngevoiceweni bazowuswa then if the police station yaslula sifonela i provincial commission ngoba wathi I believe khona manje usigawubalekile kana kubalekela into ongayazi uyabona umkwena since umfowethu anyamalala wagcina ngaba ngabujike ngiyolanda imfuyo mina ngenkani bangafuni futhi uyabona ngayibuya ngabona ukuthi mama kangasekho soba into sabonisana ukuthi nasithengiseni once imfuyo ekhaya uyabona ngoba manje soba nani mhlamba afuna ukuthatha yona thothi umuntu sekumele alwele imfuyo futhi
okay so lapha imfuyo yakhe beyingakanani
inkomo bezi3 show imbuzi bese zi24 5 uyabona ngoba bekane inhlama izala zizala 2 sometimes uyabona wathenga inkomo kumkwena yazala futhi yazala uyithenga inomntwana ubheka uyamcinela lo muntu uthi ha umntwana uyasala kodwa ngiphinkomo
yebo
maka ngitshela sesilanda ngithi ngiyalikuthi awukwazi ukushiya ukuthengisele mos athi hamiyeke bhuti uyabona luckily mase ngakithi lenkomo izale futhi 2 yabantwana usho bese zi3 ngale nkomo e1 nembuzi ezobo 22 24 lapho nje uyabona ngoba besitheni soqala ukuthengiswa after unyaka sezikhulile uyabona since then akuthengiswanga niki sipheleza siwa ku auction after ukunyamalala kwakhe
so ukugcina kwenu ukumbona into ayishoyo ukuthi uyalapha kulabantu
yebo ufakaza abantwana babekhona usisi wami uzuyasho ukuthi asibu futhi bekashoda nange 250 ngoba bekayobhadala bona every month bayabhadalwa belusi esibesibanika 600 or 7 uyabona so bekayobabhadala athi ngize ngamnika i250 ukuthi ayobhadala ngoba bekashoda nge250 athi uzonginika uyabona
sure
uphume phambi kwami sambona ngena kunepurchase mawe entabeni abhizi nefone uyabona ukuthi uyaphi indlela vele mawuhamba ngalemva kweSnake Park uhamba entabeni phambi komfula ngalo
sure
nazi izindle branch lesibaya singasentaba amhlophe njalo bekayijwayele every weekend ngoba bekumuntu osebenzayo
sure
abelusi babona weekend ongimaka off uyabona sometimes
so bona bayi2 bayaphika initially bayaphika ukuthi asimazi lo muntu ukuthi kuphi
mara uyabayaphika masemaphoyisini
and then eventually lo omunye bathi ubani lo ngoba uScar uye uphuma nazo manje emakhoneni okay
and angeke uzosukela umuntu omdala umama now 70 sebaya ko 8 abogogo
sure
uzomkokota endlini yakhe umtshelele yonto uyabona
nanokuthi athi uyangihlupha lo muntu
naleka malume beka u1 umethi ungahlupha umuntu ongemenzanga lutho
sure
i-concern ukuthi amaphoyisa corrupt awenzanga umsebenzi noma ndlulwa futhi Stratford Main Road asewasaba nokungibheka yabona cala bewama angakafiki kule stage sokusola ukuthi mhlamba athatha imali I take it like that yabona
no man ngicela nisithumele isithombe sakhe sakabhuti sizosibeka la abonakale
ngiyakuthola
ngiyabona ukuthi kubalekile ukuthi abantu bambone ukuthi sikhuluma ngobani onjani mhlawumbe ukhona ubone something
anisho
ngithi ukhona mhlawumbe umunye umuntu obone something
I get your point
sure manje nike namconfronta uScar ngendaba yokuthi abekhuluma lezi zinto azikhulumayo
uyabalekwe njengoba manje kusho ukuthi uSky Stratton sethu ukhulele ejardini ukhulana bengimthatha njengomfumo umntwana ubrother yami ezakhula naye ibrother bayabona 1 2 3 after this accident ubalekile aclaima nokuthi usaba mina akhuluma into engazizwe njena yabona so you are ukuthi why abaleka kubo uyabona since le accident uzama kadakiwe weekend kube umuntu ongena aphume even if abona abantwana akakhona ukubabheka emahlweni maybe she can add something if she's willing yamthola
no yazi kwesinye isikhathi ulwazi esinalo is what haunts us nanokuthi ngiyazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni lapha yangihlupha le ndaba ayingilalisi ngoba iqiniso ngiyalazi kodwa abanikazi balo abalazi bona manje ngiphumula kanjani mina nguScar ngazi ukuthi laba abantu abanginekekele bangikhulisa bangifikisa la ngifike khona ikhona into engiyaziyo engabasiza kule inhlungu zabo kodwa mina ngisho lutho ngisengiyasho mangabe ukuthi mhlawumbe naye bekanganasi isandla lapho into ezomhlupha indaba yokuthi ikhona into oyaziyo and manje ufa ngayo and akuseyakho lento uyabona
ngoba mawusho kanjalo ugcina azama ukuba after umfethu asimfuyo lapha eLokhuzi eBrownfish madala sado aba umngani kaMgwena.
Okay,
so he was maybe they started to plan ukuthi singamthola kanjani.
Okay,
uyayibona.
Yeah,
so that is why mhlambe kawazi ama arrangement uyabona ukuthi singamthola kanjani umuntu uyalahla hambe ngentaba uyabona. Bekawazi angithena bekalwela lemfuyo engekho thuna kumona uyayibona leyo.
Yeah.
Then wayofaka mhlambe lo ukuthi sifuna ukumthathela makungahamba yena mhlambe lo bhuti wakhe
sizopopha
sikhona ukuthengisa lemfuyo sithi lahlekile. Sure. Ngoba kuthe after anyamalala zange sifuna ukuthatha maybe ihlale 1 month imfuyo. Ay next month ngathi sathi no ngcona isuke lapha ngoba izogcina inyamalala. Bathi tshontshiwe la besuthu uyabona.
Enye indaba man ethusayo ngoba wena usitshela ukuthi awutshontshi lutho yamuntu. Actually you are empowering them by saying ukuthi bafethu nayi imfuyo inakekeleni nami ngizonakekela. Manje sekunendaba zokuthi ngigcine mina ngithi ngiyakubo nginyamalele manje ngenxa yemfuyo yami.
Imfuyo yakhe ibhlungu asilale endlini. Asilale the way banokutshela bengaginji kakhulu mara nginokuchuka man makabuya nje uyabona the way besiclose ngakhona uyabona idisturb nabantwana umuntu first born yakhe le umfowethu uyabona and by 2 girls only uyabona ubagoga ngikhulume unokuhlala ngahle simshiye endlini nje namanje uyabona akalali
akekho right makho
akekho right truly
udinga ukwazi ukuthi kwenzakalini
uphelelepi uyabona into esidingazi ukuthi uphelele kuphi thambo lakhe mangabe kanjani if uyaphila ukuphi into ebuhlungu man wazi umuntu ukhule naye all those memories manje anyamalale lo muntu and yazi man banokuthini yazi umfethu bekunenja lapha ekhaya and ngibonile ukuthi abantu bakhuluma iqiniso yazi umngani wami inja yami ungena njalo yakulwisa kusho ukuthi awukho right njalo bekathi no manje ngisho before umfethu lo yabekathi makangena endlini kumele afune noma yini azothusa lenja beyimuzi ibona ukuthi lo uzokhawa ubabami uyabona ukuthi ama-sign abekhona somewhere ngalomfowethu ukuthi lo angagcina amthengisa ngoba nami before umfethu anyamalala sike sacabana bese kuyinto eserious nefamily khona la ngivele store hamba ngazo rinzula ngifuna ukumlwisa basikhuze futhi uyabona after lapho umfethu uyabona is missing.
No, I think into esingayicela kusiga vela ndoda sukuma usitshela ukuthi kwenzakalani thumela ivoice note or imessage ukuthi simtholaphi mangabe usaba ukuthi sizothi uwe thumela nje ngamanye amanamba nje usitshela ukuthi siyephi because ogogo bafuna iclosure bafuna ukubeka umntanabo ukuthi alale kahle bafuna iclosure yokuthi mangabe ukuthi vele ithambo lakhe selihlele endaweni engasi right maybe sikhombeni siyomlanda uyabona because kwamanje obviously siyazi ukuthi akasekho right la ekhona it's been a while vela ndoda usitshela ukuthi kwenzakaleni na iplatform siyakunika wonke umuntu ubukele manje igama lakho manje ligcwele la nomkwena wazeka nina nithu manje abantu mabazoyibona lento bazothi ithuba lenu lokuthi nisiveze bafethu nizokhuluma iqiniso ukuthi nisitshele ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakaleni la and asifuna umuntu ozozigeza izandla because lo muntu lo uthi yena ugcine ezakini uyabona
wena mkwena
abakhuluma iqiniso abasitshela into eyenzakele
nomalume asho ukuthi umtsheleni njengoba tshele yena waze ekhaya wazocela imeeting ukuthi akalali uzweli yabona so ucela imeeting so yini la itshela umalume nomalume sekayashalaza uyabaleka manje
umalume
angithi wake wathi umalume so sibengicela ukuthi ucela imeeting nami nodadewethu ngoba akalali uzweli sasikwa umalume wayeze ngale umalume akhe uye wayeze nale nkulumo endlini savuma makumele sihlangane ngomeeting asange bavele bayajika mangihlangana athi hayi lo mfana ngisamtholi ngathi uyahlanya usemathophi song ini uyabona ngithi hawu malume
khona into ayazi
abamhlebele yona
akeza azositshela ukuthi kwenzakala
ukuthi kwakowani wayahlupheka uhlushwa yini uyabona ngoba umama uyayazi waze ejardini ayinokuthi wahlangana nami estrajini wakokoda wasicela ukuthi uthilo usika ucela imeeting nami nodadewethu ngoba akalali umfowethu
cabanga
so amaphoyisa that's why ngikhalanga wayangayilandeleli into enjalo mase report wayangalandeleli leyo ukuthi uthi usika uzweli udubulo umkwena ngesibhamu sakhe that's why ukuthi kune corruption
kunendaba nalapho
yikubaba usikhodi lo ngifuna ka explain ukuthi why ungalandelanga just this thing whatever bayikhuluma kumele uyilandele uyabona
ayisiyabonga malume ukuthi uzinika isikhathi ukuthi uzositshela ngalento mhlawumbe ngizocela ukuthi si-share futhi le phone number ngizoyidisplaya futhi mina ngoba ngiyayazi ithi ngizoyibeka nje escreenini mangabe nifuna ukumthithi umalume iphone number iyona le vela la ngicela nimfonele umalume nizokhona ukuthi mhlawumbe mangabe nifuna ukumsiza nikhona ukumsiza mangabe niyabo sigana bomokwina nabo malume abazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni na iphone number zamana umzamo maybe nithumela imessage sithola ithambo la likhona at least uyazi sizokhona ukuthi sibeke inhliziyo phansi ukuthi hayi umuntu wethu ulelela at least mangabe mani ngafuna ukuphuma ke neqiniso kakhulu malume mina ngiyabonga kakhulu i-strength sakho sokuthi uyalwa awuthulanga qinisa nje uqhubeke ulwe sophuma iqiniso
ngiyabonga
ayikho into enzakala ebumnyameni ephelela lapho what happens in Vegas doesn't stay in Vegas izophuma iqiniso angazi malume ukuthi musuvala ungathanda ukuthini mangabe usigano babumkwena ababukili episode ungabathanda ukuthi ubatsheleni
no mina into engayitshela ngiyacela kuyisigano nobaba umkwena ngoba nge-knowledge yami nge-experience yami as I was being a criminal before umuntu owazinto nongayazi ngiyambona njengoba sengikhulumile bawasho usiga wakhuluma umalume acela ama-meeting wathi uyakuhlupha mfethu sicela nje ithambo lakho okuningi asisanendaba nakho mawungasho nje ukuphi maybe so accept uyabona that's what I can say now baba umkwena ngoba I believe you know something man if I can tell you please help us ayikho into esokwenza yona sifuna nje ithambo into engicela both of you nawe malume njengoba wakutshela umshana wakho wathi akalali usweli ngiyacela kuwe meaning something akuhlebele yona come forward ukuthi kuphunyulwe singatholakala ukuthi manje abanye abasakhona ukuhlala ekhaya njengoba usiganga ngahlala ekhaya abuye ekhaya alungise izinto kahle ngiyabonga
Siyabonga malume.
Yabo.
Thank you guys for being with us on this eye-opening episode. We really hope that someone saw something somewhere that can guide us to a place of peace as the family. We really hope that you as the guests and the viewers of this episode have learned something from this experience. You know, most of the pain that we experience is usually from the people that are closest to us. It's not the strangers, it's not people that are far that hurt us. It's the people that we love. It's the people that are closest to us that cause us the most pain. So wherever you step, be careful, keep your eyes open, never really trust the places and the people you go with. Just know that God is with you and trust only Him to protect you. Family, thank you so much. I've also learned something from this amazing episode. And I hope that you've also learned something as well. Thank you guys for engaging. Thank you guys for subscribing, for liking. We're on the path to 100,000. I hope that you are also taking part in that by subscribing and promoting this platform so that you and I could both benefit together tomorrow. Don't forget to contact us if you would like to sit with us in studio on the number that's being showed on the screen. We are very grateful for the person you are. We love you for your humility, for your time and your effort, because anyone could just watch and pass, but you decided to comment, like, and share and do whatever it is that you can to make this episode go as far as possible so that we could help Umalume and the family. We really love and appreciate you as a community. From me, my amazing guest, and the team in studio, it's bye for now.